Wow.
Like my friend coming, she, I know where she lives, and she's been just having to have microbeads.
Ooh, we got some pull on this side.
Which why it was explained when I put her in the bit. She's like,
Oh. Wow.
I've had her echo scope, and they did say the reading was like neck, and like they had a lot of issues in the
Good
neck and
girl.
cold.
Ooh, there we go. Girl.
So how long have you been helping Mike?
That was nice. Gosh.
Over 2 years?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Like off and on for 2 years.
No, I don't.
Girl.
Like Tara used to do on mine. It was always so nice. Yeah.